Welcome back. In our previous tutorial, we swapped Atom tokens for FX. Now, let's use those FX tokens to trade for meme tokens on MarginX. Head over to MarginX Swap to start the process. To connect your Keplr wallet to MarginX, click on Connect and choose Keplr Wallet. In the Swap tab, select your token A, in this case FX, and token B, which is the token you want to purchase. You can choose any token from the list or add tokens by their contract address. As an example, if you wish to buy USDT on the Function X chain, simply select USDT, enter the amount you want to purchase, and the equivalent value of the other token will automatically adjust based on the current market price. Click on Swap and approve the transaction. Congratulations, you've successfully swapped FX tokens for USDT. If you don't see the USDT in your wallet immediately after purchase, you can manually add the token, navigate to the MarginX dashboard, and search for USDT. Click on the token to find its contract address, available at the bottom of the screen. Use the copy icon to copy this address. In your Keplr wallet, go to the menu and select Add Token. Choose FX Core from the drop-down. This is the chain we're using, as the USDT bot is on the FX chain. Click on Add Token and paste the contract address of USDT. The other fields should auto-populate. Confirm by clicking on Add, and you'll see USDT FX Core tokens, along with the swapped value in your wallet. Let's buy a meme token. Return to MarginX Swap and select your favorite meme coin. For this example, we're buying the Worm for Fun coin. Click on the coin and select Trade in the top right-hand corner. This will open the MarginX Swap with the selected token as token A. Swap the positions, selecting FX for token A, and enter the amount you want to swap. Confirm the swap and approve the transaction in your wallet. Congratulations, you've now purchased your first meme coin on MarginX. Similar to USDT, you may need to manually add the meme token to your wallet. Again, go to the MarginX dashboard and search for Worm for Fun tokens. Copy the contract address of the meme token and paste it in the Add Token section of the Keplr wallet. Once added, you can view the meme token along with its value in your Keplr wallet. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore how to provide liquidity on MarginX.